Hello, good morning. Good morning. So today we are going to solve a sum on trigonometry. Prove that sum. Prove that tan theta. This is tan theta divided by 1 plus secant theta minus tan theta divided by 1 minus secant theta is equal to 2 cosecant theta. So we have to prove that tan theta divided by 1 plus secant theta minus tan theta divided by 1 minus secant theta is equal to 2 cosecant theta. Okay. Now, let us consider the LHS equal to, in LHS, I can take tan theta in the numerator as common. Therefore, I will have 1 divided by 1 plus secant theta minus 1 divided by 1 minus secant theta. See, when I multiply inside, I'll get back this. Therefore, I can take the numerator as common. Equal to tan theta, take LCM, 1 minus secant theta minus of 1 plus secant theta will give me minus 1 minus secant theta whole divided by 1 plus secant theta into 1 minus secant theta. Okay. That is equal to tan theta plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Minus secant theta into minus secant theta will give me, it is not into, it is minus 2 will give me minus 4. Similarly, minus 2 secant theta divided by a plus b into a minus b will give me a square minus b square. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Therefore, 1 minus secant square theta is equal to minus tan square theta. It is equal to tan theta into minus 2 secant theta divided by, instead of 1 minus secant square theta, I can write minus tan square theta. Minus gets cancelled, this square and tan gets cancelled. That is equal to 2. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Therefore, 2 by cos theta into tan theta is sin by cos. When I take it to the multiplication, it becomes reciprocal. Tan is sin by cos, so I have cos by sin theta. Cos theta gets cancelled. That is equal to 2 by sin theta equal to 1 by sin theta can be written as cosecant theta. So 2 into cosecant theta, that is my RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Take down if you want. We'll move on to the next question. Okay. This is a simple question where students usually forget the basic concepts. Let us see. If tan A is equal to 3 by 4, then find the value of sin A into cos A. Okay, you have to find the value of sin A into cos A. Okay. Solution. It is given that tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Let us construct a triangle. My A is here. This is 90. Okay. Now, 3 by 4. Usually, tan A is opposite by adjacent. So, 3 and 4 is here. Now, using the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So, hypotenuse square is equal to 4 4 are 16 plus 9. H square is equal to 25. H is equal to square root of 25 and that is equal to 5. From this triangle, let me find what is sine A. Sine A is opposite by hypotenuse, 3 by 5, and cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5. We have to find the value of sine A multiplied with cos A, that is equal to 3 by 5 into 4 by 5. 4 3s are 12 divided by 5 5s are 25. The most easiest sum this is, but students are getting doubts in this. Therefore, I had been on live with these questions. And these are the questions from NCERT exemplar, the important questions. Okay. So if you have any doubt in other questions, you can ping me. You can put, or you can mail me or put a message in the comment. Surely I'll help you, dear students. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching.